A for apple, crisp and bright. Take a bite, it's a healthy delight. B for bowl, rolling around. Kick it, throw it, watch it bound. C for cat with whiskers that twitch. It leaps and pounces without a hitch. D for dog, happy and true. It plays all day just for you. E for elephant, with a trunk so long. It sprays cool water and sings a strong song. F for fish, shining with glee. It wiggles and swims in the deep blue sea. G for grapes, clustered so tight. Purple and green, they're a tasty delight. H for hat, perched on your head. Wear it in style in yellow or red. I for igloo, cold and round. A frosty house where warmth is found. J for juice, fresh and sweet. A sip of orange is such a treat. K for kite, soaring so high. It dances with wind in the open sky. L for lion with the golden mane. It roars so loudly across the plain. M for moon, glowing so bright. It lights up the dark and guides the night. N for nest, high in a tree. A home for birds and their family. O for orange, juicy and fine. Peel it slowly, it tastes divine. P for pencil, sharp and neat. Draw your world with every beat. Q for queen, regal and wise. She wears her crown under bright blue skies. R for rainbow, a colorful bow. After the rain, it puts on a show. S for sun, golden and warm. It wakes the day and brightens the farm. T for tree, strong and tall. It gives us shade and catches the fall. U for umbrella, open and wide. It keeps us dry as the raindrops slide. V for violin, sweet and clear. Its music is lovely to hear. W for whale, mighty and blue. It swims with grace in ocean so true. X for xylophone with notes that chime. It makes fun music every time.